Buick Regal GS images released. Price is expected to be announced on February 28. It is expected to be launched on February 28 and will be sold at a fixed price. The current Regal has two different configurations, priced at $159,800 and $175,800 respectively. Compared with the regular version currently on sale, the Regal GS has a new sports kit. On the front air intake grille of the new car only retains the chrome-plated wing ornament, and the rest is replaced by a black mesh design. The bumper is equipped with large-sized air intakes surrounded by wide-edged gloss black ornaments on both sides, and the visual effect is quite sporty. At the rear of the car, the new car has added a large gloss black spoiler on the upper edge of the trunk. The shape of the taillight group is basically the same as the regular version. The trapezoidal black skid plate and the two-sided flat-mouth chrome exhaust make the new car look more like a performance car. In terms of dimensions, the length, width and height of the current model are 4904, 4913, /1863/1461, 1462 mm, and the wheelbase is 2,829 mm. It is expected to undergo minor changes as the GS version. In terms of power, the current model offers two engines for users to choose from, 1.5T and 2.0T. The first has a maximum power of 169 horsepower, while the second has a maximum power of 237 horsepower. On the transmission side, the entire series is equipped with a 9-speed manual automatic transmission as standard.